Did you know that excessive gaming can lead to physical health issues? Here are 3 of the most common issues gamers face and what you can do to prevent them. Keep in mind, everyone's body is different, so this might not work for everyone. The first is RSI, otherwise known as repetitive strain injury. This happens when you repeatedly do the same action with your hands, which then causes pain in your wrists. The best way to prevent this is making sure you're taking lots of breaks to give your joints a rest. Make sure to have lots of shorter breaks rather than one long break, especially if you're gaming for very long periods of time. The second is eye strain. This usually happens because gamers spend a lot of time staring at screens or bright lights. The best way to prevent this is with blue light glasses or filters, which prevent some of the harmful blue light rays from penetrating your eyes. And the third is backache. This usually happens from sitting in chairs or in uncomfortable positions for really long periods of time. And this can be prevented by making sure you have a comfortable and ergonomic chair to sit in, which provides you with plenty of lumbar support. At the end of the day, if your chair's not comfortable, you're more likely to sit in weird, awkward positions, which then will create more strain on your back. Gaming is an increasingly popular hobby, but make sure you take care of yourself while playing.